Hey, what's up? I'm AJ, and I want to welcome you to my channel, Cooking with AJ. I'll be doing some of everything. I'll be trying new products. I'll be cooking live. I'll be doing mukbang slash AMSR. I will be doing those with some of my friends as well. So what I like to tell people, if you like Auntie Fee, reality TV, good food, and I'm just saying, somebody easy on the eyes to look at, then you definitely are in the right spot. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, follow me, comment. I do respond, and I hope you enjoy my videos. I do take requests, so if there's something that you want to see me cook or something that you want to see me eat in particular, send me a message and we'll talk about it and go from there. But again, I'm AJ. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Hopefully you subscribed, and I hope you ready for the shit that's finna go down.